Hey guys, I'm Nilamar Raha. Today I will show you how to turn off the sound of Ubuntu when it login. First we have to identify the location where the sound file is stored. You just open the files, go to computer, and now go to user, share, and here you can find sounds. Open it and then Ubuntu, then stereo, and here you can see this dialog question.ogg. If it is played, you can hear the sound. And not only login sound, you can find out many sounds here, which system sound for Ubuntu. Now just we have to rename it, but you can see the rename option is not coming after right clicking. For this, just close it and open the terminal by right clicking, open terminal, and write sudo nautilus nautilus and press enter and give the password of the Ubuntu, and you can see now it is open. Here the options, here you can go to my computers. The command of that sudo nautilus is you can use the sudo command for GUI interface. That's the advantage of that nautilus command. Now you can identify user, share, and sounds here, and Ubuntu and stereo. Now you right click on this OGG file, and here you can see now rename. You can rename it, the option is coming. Now rename it to that OGG to BAK. Now close it, close the terminal. It's now done. You can log in and check again. The sound will be not played. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel.